Welcome back to our channel. The James Webb Space Telescope has made a weighty revelation. Proof of human development a long way from Earth, crawling us nearer to responding to the deep-rooted question of our segregation known to mankind. The journey for extraterrestrial life has been a constant pursuit all through mankind's set of experiences, rousing various conceptual works and speculations. Our intrinsic interest in our spot in the universe, and the chance of not being separated from everyone else, drives us to look for friendship, even from extraterrestrial sources. We are near the precarious edge of uncovering replies to significant inquiries, yet we should consider whether these responses are genuinely what we look for, or, on the other hand, if something more profound is influencing everything. The James Webb Space Telescope's question of whether it could detect artificial light on another planet, such as Proxima b, sparked a speculative inquiry about our technology's future capabilities in 2021. This planet, the closest planet to Earth, is in the favorable region of our nearest star, Proxima Centauri, about 4.25 light-years away. Proxima b is allowed to be locked in a synchronous rotation with the star, as the Moon is on its side towards the Earth, the other side facing the star. On Proxima b, it was thought that solar cells could be used by an advanced planet to transfer electricity and heat from day to night. In a paper, Manus Lingam and other researchers suggested that future telescopes could detect a large scan of the solar panel during the day. Thanks to the new high-level capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope, the expected false lights of habitable exoplanets such as Proxima b can be detected. It may be the light we are looking for, leading us on the path to another great level. Before diving into the meaning of this revelation, it is important to understand the nature of this achievement. The mysteries of Proxima Centauri b are being explored by the James Webb Space Telescope. Since time immemorial, humans have searched for answers to fundamental questions about the world, about our truth and our sense of self. These questions, however unfathomable, have driven people's interest in what we know. The question is, are we any closer to finding those answers in this age of great technological progress? While skeptics may argue that we are still in the early stages of understanding the universe and ourselves, astronauts are eager to share new discoveries using the mechanical tools at their disposal. These developments, although often overlooked by the general public, are important indicators of human progress. It's time to move on and explore the world in ways never before imagined, with the world at your fingertips. One strategy is to investigate through instruments such as the James Webb Space Telescope. This instrument, the ultimate successor to human space exploration techniques, will undoubtedly answer fundamental questions about our place in the universe. New observations of a possible moon on a planet light-years away are beginning to shed light on the possibility of life beyond our planetary system. Proxima b, also known as Proxima Centauri b, is a near-Earth exoplanet orbiting an M-type star. These planets are larger than Earth, but lighter than giants such as Neptune and Uranus, because it is a unique class in the world. In fact, there is much to see and understand about Proxima b. Our goal to better understand our place in the universe is represented by this development, which represents a major step forward. The main reason for the existence of the exoplanet began in 1917, despite the fact that it was not fully discovered by established scientists at the time. However, in 1992, the first discovery of an exoplanet surprised scientists. Since then, more exoplanets have been confirmed and the supermodel in 2003. As of April 1, 2024, 5,653 exoplanets have been confirmed among the 4,161 planets, of which at least 196 were the one planet. M-type stars, also known as red dwarfs, are associated with these amazing discoveries. Red dwarfs are the smallest stars in the main sequence and have a more flat shape than other stars. In any case, due to its low brightness, it is not natural to call it another star. Little red men have different groups and names that are characterized by temperature and size. The temperature is about 3,900 K. These stars, called M-shades, have clear characteristics that distinguish them. For B, the mass is calculated to be 1.7 times that of Earth. Unlike Earth's 365.25-day year, it completes an orbit around its star in 11.2 Earth days. A star in an orbit the size of Proxima b can be approximated as follows. With only 0.16% of the Sun's brightness in the visible spectrum, the star's electrical brightness is extremely low. It is very faint, only 0.56% of the sun's energy. More than 85% of the energy is emitted in the form of infrared radiation, and it is approximately 0.485 to 0.626 units away from the star. The discovery of Proxima b announced in 2016 raises the question of why this planet is so interesting. Proxima b is the closest known star to our Sun, orbiting at a distance of 4.2 light-years, which is very large to us, but very small. This is one reason. Despite its low brightness, it remains of interest to astronomers because it is part of a triple star system called Alpha Centauri. After Sirius and Procyon, the Proxima Centauri system is one of the most visible star clusters in the night sky. In any case, the most intriguing feature of Proxima Centauri b is its habitable state in the star's positive region. Astronomers have decided to start working to explore the depths of this celestial potential, because the possibilities it represents are endless. This is where the James Webb Space Telescope comes in. JWST's four main goals are to search for light from stars and interplanetary universes that formed after the Big Bang, to investigate the evolution and evolution of universes, and to understand the organization of stars and planets, and exploring planetary structures and the starting points for life. As JWST continues to study exoplanets like Proxima b, we will be closer to achieving these goals. A mission to extraterrestrial life is a unique area for space exploration. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI program, is based on human curiosity and the investigation of everything that moves and everything that doesn't. SETI envisions a kind of illusionary war where, instead of gold, we search for electronic signals called whispers of social institutions that have bypassed our blind minds. The remarkable discovery of city lights by the James Webb Space Telescope in space, 7 billion kilometers from Earth, has attracted the attention of the scientific community. This revelation has sparked a great interest in the possibilities of extraterrestrial life. Zooming in on Proxima Centauri b, the closest planet to Earth, a telescope has discovered the presence of mysterious lights from its surface. What could be the cause of these unusual lights in Proxima Centauri b? Could it be a sign of life beyond our planet? Humans have long dreamed of life outside of our solar system and have been looking for clues about how to do it. Stories that emphasize the possibility of this ambition have been met with enthusiasm. The James Webb Space Telescope has recorded strong evidence of life in space that shocked the scientific community. As it probed the planet and sent the first data back to Earth, the telescope spotted strange city lights coming from the exoplanet Proxima Centauri b. As the name suggests, these lights seem to illuminate a distant city. Researchers are wondering how the alien world reacts to this system. Everyone is confused, as this could be the revelation they have all been waiting for. Once established, a framework for life emerges that has created social norms beyond our understanding of locality, and we can only begin to explore. Noticing these metropolitan lights from a distance of 7 billion kilometers, NASA engineers can't help thinking about how long they have been sparkling in space, trusting that mankind will foster the innovation to recognize them. David Kipping, a space expert at Columbia College, depicts the exoplanet Proxima Centauri b, where the metropolitan lights have been distinguished, as a divine body with extraordinary warming examples that vary from those saw on different planets. While conventional rough planets will generally retain daylight and produce infrared radiation, this exoplanet shows an extraordinarily unique infrared nature from its host star, Proxima Centauri. This quirk has permitted cautious perception by the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, as this instrument is profoundly delicate to infrared frequencies, empowering it to catch such metropolitan light signals from far-off exoplanets. The presentation of the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, otherwise called JWST, in December 2021, drew public consideration with its marvelous infrared picture showing the huge scene of an essentially far-off exoplanet. According to Kipping, this is Hayat's second time taking on the world. Kipping says there are beautiful places for cities on Proxima Centauri b. It forces us to think about the nature of aliens beyond our ability to create social norms. The city lights of Proxima Centauri b have a unique infrared appearance that differs from the typical patterns that occur when rocky planets enter the solar system. Kipping said, "The James Webb Space Telescope is very sensitive to infrared frequencies, making it a great tool for picking up these city light signals from distant exoplanets. International scientists have argued that the presence of city lights indicates the presence of life on our side of the planet, and even the possible development of aliens. According to some theories, the moon may be the result. Complex and orderly societies are like human cities on Earth. However, not all researchers believe in this idea. Some believe that the lights are the result of normal processes that are not fully understood at this time. Because Proxima Centauri b is much larger than Earth, it may have its own geological and atmospheric conditions that cause these bright signals. Beliefs aside, many established researchers are eager to investigate the issue. One of the most important developments in human history is the discovery of extraterrestrial cities in Proxima Centauri b, if confirmed. This finding raises several ethical and philosophical concerns. Assuming they are in other parts of the world, how can we contact them? Is it wise for us to try to give it, or is it wise to wake up and look carefully? Furthermore, if there are new worlds on other planets, what are the consequences for the position of man in the universe? These are the questions that face scientists, thinkers, and pioneers as we explore the world.